Hello Mallrats, we are here at SM City, North EDSA, the block. It is it's February 1, 2025, and there is a Pokemon thing that's happening right now, as you guys can probably tell by the huge inflatable Pikachu in front of us. That's around. Yeah. So, what's this? Switch stuff. Okay. Some showcasing. Yeah. Stuff. For the Switch. First, it's Pokemon Fun Day. And it's gonna run for a couple of days, I think. So the Pokemon Fun Day here at SM North EDSA is running from January 31 to February 13, 2025. They have Pokemon TCG tutorials, meet and greet, really. Giant inflatable Pikachu, yeah, we can see that. And merch. Okay. Walking around. Let's do this in one cut. That's why not. So, Funko Pops, but Funko Pops are kind of okay for Pokemon because these are stylized cartoons anyway. I think this is an actual life-size Pikachu. Maybe. 2.5 feet. I remember him being smaller than that. Card game stuff, so people are playing, maybe? I don't know. Oh yeah, people are playing the game. Oh, look at the stuffed toys now. Showing here gameplay, I think. A cute display with a bunch of, I guess those are starters that I have no idea. Probably life-size Pikachu in there, and an Eevee that I would like to take home for commercial reasons, of course. Okay. They have tons of Pikachus around. Understandable. Says hi. Alright, this is card game stuff. Of course, the cards are trapped behind glass, or no, acrylic, because you do not want people to steal the cards. Okay, cards. What is this? Merch. So this is a merch shop. So this is a merch shop. That's pretty large. 8,400 pesos. Oh, 8,500 pesos. Not bad. I mean, for something that big. Merch shop. So what is this? Just a bunch of Pokemerch, of course. And that's a cute picture. 10% off if you have an SM Advantage card. Ooh, I like these Bandai model kits. These are cute. Maybe I haven't seen the others yet. Ooh, look at this. I've not seen a couple of these. What are these? Pokemon Monster Collection. Some other kinds of Pokemerch. This Charmander looks way smaller than I thought it should be. So, I don't know. Those figures are cute. Let's see what's inside. Oops, that's me. Hey. He's actually on time. Oops, what else is here? Let's see. Does the skull come off? What does he look like under the skull?
Bilis na ubos yan, sir.
Oh, the nice high-end figs. Or the high-quality figures right here. These are cute. Look at that. And then the games. Switch stuff, of course. Funko Pops, fine. Figures. Switch stuff. Okay, I think that's, oh, that's the counter, apparently. Alright, excuse me. That's a long line. Let's go to the other side. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, in front, yes. Products. Those are G3 starters, right? Or 4. Another Pikachu. These fucks. These fucks talaga. Look at that. I'm gonna take on that EV. Oh, merch is in peak. Wearable merch. Let's take a look at these. Football. You can actually fit a person inside there. Wearable merch. About to wonder if there's a chick. And then stuffed toys. Let's take a look at stuffed toys. $1,400. It's very cute. What the, is that an actual, it is. Look at that. Okay. Nope, tails are not part of it. I mean, the tails are part of the body. Yes. Boy. That's adorable. Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh, right. Okay, cute. It's not made of metal, guys. It's made of cloth. That's made of plastic. Probably some synthetic polymer. Okay, that's cute. That's a cursed looking Charmander. That's it, guys. Pokemon. See the giant Pikachu? It's huge. He is 2 stories, maybe 3 stories tall. Adorable. Anyway, so, okay, by the collectors. They have multiple entities. There you go, Mallrats. That is the Pokemon Fun Day display over at SM City North EDSA. It's February, first few weeks, I think first 2 weeks of February 2025. Yeah. I'm gonna go recheck those stuffed toys. Because I need a big squeezable Jigglypuff. See you guys later.